Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down two trades for you. One of them I got stopped out, unfortunately, and I'm going to tell you why. And the other one was a profitable trade on NAS100. So GJ lost, NAS100, it was a winner. And I want to show you exactly what happened on my FDM account, which you can see right here. So I got a trade NAS100, today's date, May 11th, and the loss that I had on GJ, May 11th. 2022, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you both of them, that exactly what happened and why I got stopped out from GJ, which was really annoying. My setup was correct, it literally hit the TP, but because of the spread it didn't close the trade and then it reversed and hit my stop loss. But I want to confess something, that it was a bad timing as well. It was exactly on a very important news for FOMC, and I didn't check out the news, and that's what happened. But it literally hit my profit. Anyways, it happened, and let's get into the analysis. So the first one that I want to show you is, so this is on EURUSD that I was watching, because it literally hit my high probability demand zone, and also I'm just waiting for a good setup. So right now this candle is forming, which is absolutely good. And what I'm gonna do, I got a tool that I want to show you exactly what it does. So when you go here, you can literally say how much you want to risk. Let's say I want to risk 1%, and then I go buy, and then I put my bias stop here. It's super cool, guys, without calculating anything. You literally put your bias stop, your stop loss, your TP, and then you press OK, and it opens the position for you without calculating. Just say I want to risk 1%. Put your stop loss wherever you put your stop loss, it's risking 1%, not more than that. And then you can literally put your TP, stop loss, boom. Before that, I used to go to a website, calculate my risk, see what lot size I need to take in order to risk 1%, and it was always a mess. It was never right. But this tool literally made everything sorry, easier for me. And right now, as you can see, this is a really good candle that that formed on our high probability demand zone, but this is kind of a wide one, so that's why I'm really cautious about this trade. But if I want to take it, I probably take it all the way to here, guys. And the reason is that we have a high probability supply zone around this area, and there's a really high chance that it's going to hit the TP. But right now, as you can see, this is my TP, this is my stop loss, this is my TP right here. So I can also risk less if I want to kind of close my trade somewhere around here. But let's see what happens. For this video, I probably won't take it, but let's see. I just wanted to show you what the tool is like. So let's go to NAS100 first. So this is a trade that I took on NAS100. I wish I closed it here. I knew that it's gonna come down, but I was okay with the profit, especially after the loss that I had. I just wanted to close it as soon as possible. But if I close it here, it would have been almost 600 pounds in profit on my FDMO challenge. But let me break it down for you. So I noticed that NAS100 is dropping so bad, and after, because there's a huge gap there, this is exactly when the news happened, and then the price had a little bit of reversal, filling the gaps, and I started creating lower lows and lower highs, and now it's coming towards downside. So but the thing is that I noticed that it's going down to stop out all these buyers who put their stop loss below these levels, right here, here, and also right here. But the entry is really important. And what I did was I was trying to identify high probability supply and demand zones, and we already had this high probability demand zone which already tapped into. So this is invalid and this is not important anymore. So I was just waiting and waiting because I knew that it's coming down to stop out all the buyers here, and it actually did by giving us this huge candle here, and then it started creating a gap exactly right here. This is a high probability supply zone, and the reason is that we had a huge drop. This is the last bullish candle, and the next candle never tapped into this zone, so that's why there was a gap between this candle and this zone right here. So I was waiting for the next candle or whatever candle after that that tap into this level, and then I saw this candle here. So what I did was I didn't jump into the trade. The reason was that I had my stop loss, I think I had my sell stop here, but I didn't enter right after this candle because I wanted to see where my candle is closing, and I had my, yeah, it was right here. So this is when I entered. My TP was here because, yeah, my stop loss was here, and my TP was right here. And this is exactly what happened. So it was a profitable trade on NAS100 because I noticed that we have 2 rejection candles after it tapped into our high probability supply zone, and I just kind of liked the formation of these candles because the sellers are trying to push the price towards downside, and I actually had a good entry because if I wanted to enter right here and put my stop loss here, I would have got a stopped out. But for some reason, I think I missed it, and then I got lucky that I saw this candle here, and then I noticed, and I put my stop loss, my seller stop. It got triggered, and my stop loss was above the current candle, which is this one, and I didn't get a stopped out for this one, and I got a beautiful trade. As I said, I could have closed it here almost 1 to 2, but I didn't because it was a good profit compared to the loss that I had, and it was this one. So this is for NAS100. Let me show you how I got a stop down on GBPJPY as well. It was a beautiful one if I took it properly, but unfortunately it didn't happen. But let me show you exactly when the news happened. Probably somewhere around here. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is a high probability supply zone that we had because we have an obvious gap. This candle never tapped into the zone. There is a gap. I was waiting for the price. It finally tapped, and if I'm not wrong, oh yeah, this is exactly when I got it stopped out. See guys, it came down. I had my stop loss, my seller stop here, and I had my stop loss here. Seller stop loss, and my TP was somewhere around here. It was right here, and then it got triggered. It was coming down, everything was good, and right after this candle we had FOMC news that has stopped me out. But look at this guys, this one, and then literally after that it got stopped out. So it has stopped me out first, and then it, no, I think it actually hit the TP first, but because of the spread it didn't close my trade, and then it came back and hit my stop loss, and that's how I got it stopped out. But it was a really good one. I shouldn't have traded during news, I know that, I didn't check it, and that's how I got it stopped out. But the setup was good, but it just made it invalid immediately. So NAS100 was a winner trade, and it was a beautiful setup. It was clean, and at least I closed the day with a little bit of profit, and that's how we did it. So before you go, let me show you the results of Gold EA Incubator, that what exactly happened during London session in the past 24 hours. We are up 124% profit on a $1,000 account. We had a $300 withdrawal, and the profit is $1,190. So this is our $2,000 account, which we are up 12.56%. It means $251, and this is our $5,000 account, which we are up $310, which is 6.20% since April 28th all the way to May 11th. But it actually started trading in May 5th all the way to 11th. It's less than a week. We are up 6.20%, which is absolutely amazing. So if you have any question, guys, you know what to do. Drop your comment below this video. I personally reach out to you, and if you want to grab your license and you want to trade completely hands-free without analyzing the market yourself, check out the smartyincubator.com. I'm going to leave a link below in the description. Grab your license, follow the instructions carefully. When you install it on your account, send us your account number and we'll manually activate your account. Please allow us 24 hours for the activation because there's a time difference between us and the developer, so sometimes it takes time. We'll get back to you as soon as it gets activated, so please give us some time, and it'll be done for sure. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you on the other side.